backstage in the grandstand, behind the grandstand with Kevin. We're talking about auditions. Obviously, we're in the thick of Stampede right now, but auditions for the Young Canadians are coming up. Kevin, when is it happening?
Well, July 19th is the open call for anyone who wants to come who's new. So that's anyone from our junior level to intermediate level to senior level who hasn't been a part of the Young Canadians at this time. So basically ages 16 to 21.
Wow, so there's a lot of opportunity if you've been thinking about it, if you're getting inspired seeing the show. Is that kind of why you have the auditions right after Stampede? You want people that are inspired to come out?
I think so. I think the grandstand, because it's such an extraordinary experience for people, that young people coming with their parents or with other people to see the show might look down and go, hey, I want to do that. Mm-hmm. Especially if they're aspiring singers or dancers, people who are actors as well. So it's one of those opportunities to kind of grab people's attention with the performance and then connect them to the school part of the Young Canadians as well.
What inspires you when you get to deal with all of these incredibly talented youth?
Well, I think one of the things is it's a part of my personal history because I am a former Young Canadian. So I was here as a teenager. I joined when I was 16, and it was kind of on the spur of the moment. I didn't have any other experience singing and dancing other than what I had done in high school. So I kind of look at the company and I see myself in a way. So that kind of hooks me in immediately. And to see people using arts and culture, I'm a professional actor, so arts and culture are important to me. And seeing young people actually use arts and culture as a part of their own personal growth, whether they do it as a profession or whether they just decide to move on to other things, but it's an avocation for them later in life too.
Where are these amazing auditions taking place?
The auditions are going to be at Alta Performing Arts Spaces over on the youth campus. I'm sure you probably, it's the old Victoria Park Community Centre for those people who don't really remember what it is. But youth campus is an exciting new area that a lot of things are happening by Calgary Arts Academy, and there's a lot of great things going on over there. So we will hold them there, and then we will have callbacks on the Saturday and Sunday following.
It's an incredible space, like you mentioned. Website?
Website. If you want to go directly to the audition page, go to theyoungcanadians.com.
Go to the website, find out those details. If you are inspired, if you're sitting in the crowd and you think, I know I can be a Young Canadian, this is your chance. Thanks so much, Kevin.
Thank you.
Obviously can't wait to see the show this year.
No, it's fantastic. Enjoy yourself.